Affiliate marketing has been a buzzword for years, but as we move forward into 2022, many of you might be wondering if it's still a viable way to make money online. Well, today I'm going to break it all down for you. Stay tuned. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you can earn a commission from promoting someone else's products or services. You get a unique link to share, and when someone makes a purchase through your link, you get a commission. But is affiliate marketing profitable in 2024? The short answer is yes, it can be. But let's break down why. First off, e-commerce continues to grow. With more people shopping online than ever before, the opportunity for affiliate marketers is huge. According to recent statistics, global e-commerce sales are expected to hit $5.5 trillion this year. That's a lot of potential customers. Mobile shopping is also on the rise. More people are making purchases directly from their smartphones, and affiliate marketers who optimize for mobile users are seeing great results. Social media platforms have become a powerful tool for affiliate marketers. With platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, influencers and content creators have a direct line to their audience. If you have a decent following, you can leverage these platforms to promote products and earn commissions. But you'll need to ensure that the products you are promoting are the ones that actually resonate with your audience. Otherwise, you'll be spamming them and delivering low value, and people will easily be able to read through it, which reduces your credibility because you're wasting their time. For example, I only endorse products that I have personally used and found beneficial. This approach helps me to build trust with my audience, ensuring that they can be confident in the quality of the products and services I promote. Search engine optimization, or SEO, remains crucial. Creating valuable content that ranks well on search engines can drive organic traffic to your affiliate links. Blogs, review sites, and niche websites are all effective ways to leverage SEO for affiliate marketing. But not all niches are created equal. It's essential to choose the right niche. Health, fitness, and wellness are evergreen topics that continues to be profitable. Other lucrative niches include technology, finance, and lifestyle. Find something you're passionate about and that has a high demand. Another key to profitability is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Promote products from different companies and different niches to spread out your income streams. High-ticket items can yield significant commissions, but don't overlook low-ticket products. They can generate a high volume of sales, leading to substantial earnings over time. Tracking analytics are your best friend. Use tools to track which links are performing best and optimize your strategy accordingly. This data-driven approach can significantly increase your earnings. Now, let's talk about the challenges. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and a lot of patience. Competition is fierce, and algorithms on social media and search engines are constantly changing. So again, is affiliate marketing profitable in 2024? Absolutely. But like any business, it requires dedication and smart strategies. If you're willing to put in the work, it can be a fantastic way to generate passive income. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a topic you want me to cover next. Until next time. Now y'all know I wasn't about to end this video without telling you to click the link in the description box if you want to learn the best way to make money online. Y'all know I want everybody to win and make some extra money, so click the link and thank me later. To Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. Peace.
I make thousands of dollars per day without doing any work. Now, I know that sounds unbelievable. Obviously, I had to do work to get up to this point, but I've essentially planted the seeds and the foundation for this to be possible over the past couple of years. And this has been by uploading tons of different YouTube videos, which I view to be assets. And the key to achieving financial freedom and being able to make money no matter what you're doing, like right now I'm just walking through the woods here, is to focus on building assets that can potentially pay you regularly. So my keys to doing this is to, number one, find a way to potentially make money in your sleep. YouTube has been the vehicle for doing that for me, as well as doing affiliate marketing with YouTube and selling digital products with the platform. Do not trade your time for money. It's understandable if you need to get a job to pay the bills right away, but eventually the goal should be not to trade your time for money. The goal should be to do work once that can continue to pay you even while you're sleeping, traveling, or walking in the woods. Feel free to follow me to learn more.